A traditional Koraputiya folk song from Odisha has taken the national spotlight after becoming the centerpiece of a spectacular cultural performance during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's program in Andhra Pradesh. The performance featured nearly 13,000 tribal women dancing in perfect synchronization, creating a breathtaking visual that has gone viral across social media and earned admiration from people across the country. The grand presentation was held during the inauguration of the Alluri Sitarama Raju International Airport at Bhogapuram in Andhra Pradesh's Vijayanagaram district. Built at an estimated cost of Rs 5,000 crore, the airport was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The biggest attraction of the event was the vibrant tribal dance performed to the soulful Koraputiya folk song. The song was originally written by Roshan Karthik, who was then serving as the Deputy CEO of Ormas for the Parak Festival, a celebration of the rich tribal culture and heritage of Koraput. The synchronized performance by around 13,000 tribal women created history by setting a world record, showcasing the beauty, discipline and cultural pride of India's tribal communities. The spectacular performance received thunderous applause from the audience and was highly appreciated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The event has also generated widespread discussion on social media, with users praising the melody of the Koraputiya folk song, the flawless coordination of the dancers, and the rich cultural heritage on display. For many, it was a proud moment for Odisha, as its indigenous folk tradition received national recognition on one of the country's biggest stages.
आज एक और विकास के नए रिकॉर्ड बन रहे हैं, तो साथ ही ढीमसा डांस का सांस्कृतिक रिकॉर्ड भी रचा गया है। मेरे यहाँ के आदिवासी बहनों के द्वारा ढीमसा नृत्य का विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाना, मैं चंद्रबाबू के इस विजन को विशेष रूप से सराहना करता हूं। 13,000 से ज्यादा आदिवासी बहनों और बेटियों की प्रस्तुति, उनका उत्साह, उनका अनुशासन और आदिवासी संस्कृति का गौरव, यह दृश्य वाकई अद्भुत था। इसमें देश की विविधता की झलक भी थी और पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी सहेज कर रखी गई जनजातीय विरासत भी थी। मैं इस प्रस्तुति के लिए आप सभी का और विशेष रूप से मेरी आदिवासी बहनों और बेटियों का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन करता हूं।